Okay, this is me at 362 pounds, the heaviest I have ever been, and I just wasn't feeling good. I'm just out of shape, headaches, all that good stuff. Started me on blood pressure meds and all that, so I decided to do something about it. This is me now at 324 pounds. I haven't exercised, but I've just been adding a lot of vegetables to my diet, been eating right, but I just started exercising, and that's why I decided to start documenting as well to see if I can speed up the process. My wife actually started this with me, and she has lost a lot more percentage weight because she's a lot more disciplined than I am. So anyway, subscribe to our channel so we can keep y'all updated. Thanks.